Experiencing a network timeout error during a Garmin Wi-Fi map update? You're not alone. This video breaks down why these failures happen and how to fix them. Essentially, a network timeout means your Garmin device isn't receiving data from Garmin's servers fast enough, causing the update to stall. These errors can be caused by slow internet, unstable connections, outdated device firmware, or even server overload on Garmin's end. Let's dive into the key reasons. First, slow internet connection can cause timeouts as the device waits too long for data. Second, unstable Wi-Fi connections lead to dropped signals and timeouts. Third, outdated device firmware may not handle modern network conditions properly. Fourth, server overload on Garmin's end can happen during peak update times. Now that we understand the causes, let's look at practical solutions to get your maps updated. Several factors contribute to these frustrating timeouts. Firstly, outdated firmware. Ensure your Garmin device is running the latest firmware. Updates often include improved timeout handling and connection stability. Secondly, unstable Wi-Fi. A weak or fluctuating Wi-Fi signal is a prime culprit. Your Garmin needs a stable 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz connection with at least 1 Mbps download speed. Bluetooth-enabled models post-2020 can also tether to smartphones for updates, bypassing Wi-Fi entirely. Lastly, Garmin server overload. During peak hours or new map releases, Garmin's servers can become overloaded, leading to slower download speeds and timeouts. First, update your Garmin device's firmware using Garmin Express. Connect your device to your computer via USB cable. Open the Garmin Express application and follow the on-screen prompts to check for and install any available firmware updates. This ensures your device has the latest improvements for network handling. Next, optimize your Wi-Fi connection for better stability. Start by moving your Garmin device closer to your router to improve signal strength. Remove any obstructions like walls or furniture that might interfere with the wireless signal. During the update, make sure no other devices on your network are heavily using bandwidth. Pause any large downloads, video streaming, or other high data activities to free up your Wi-Fi connection. If your router supports it, try switching between the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands. The 2.4 GHz band has longer range but may be slower, while 5 GHz offers faster speeds over shorter distances. Test both to see which provides better stability for your Garmin update. A good Wi-Fi signal strength is important for successful updates. Aim for at least -67 dBm for reliable connections, as shown in this signal strength guide. Finally, disable any VPN software or firewall settings during the update process. These security features can sometimes block or interfere with the Garmin device's connection to the update servers. If Wi-Fi continues to be problematic, explore alternative update methods. Connecting your Garmin to your computer via USB and using Garmin Express bypasses Wi-Fi entirely and often provides a more reliable connection. Alternatively, use your smartphone as a mobile hotspot. This creates a dedicated Wi-Fi network for your Garmin, potentially offering a stronger and more stable connection, especially in areas with poor Wi-Fi infrastructure. Real-world examples show how users overcome Garmin Wi-Fi timeouts. In 2025, a cyclist in rural Montana using a Garmin Edge 1040 faced repeated failures on weak Wi-Fi. Switching to a mobile hotspot bypassed the issue, and Garmin Diagnostics revealed a firmware conflict. Updating the device allowed a successful 5 GB map download. In a March 2026 Reddit forum, a delivery driver with a Garmin Nuvi 68 solved peak-hour timeouts using Ethernet tethering through a laptop. This hybrid approach completed a full North American map update in 15 minutes, demonstrating effective wired backup solutions. Ethernet tethering connects devices via adapters for stable updates. This setup combines phone data with laptop connection, ensuring reliable downloads when Wi-Fi fails. Garmin is actively working to improve the update experience through software enhancements. Ensure you're using the latest version of Garmin Express. Also, Garmin's Connect app may offer over-the-air diagnostics, allowing you to test network stability before initiating updates. Keep your Garmin apps up to date to receive these important improvements and tools. The future of Garmin map updates looks promising. We are seeing a move towards cloud-integrated updates, with more devices supporting automatic background updates via cellular data, reducing reliance on Wi-Fi. Garmin is also rumored to be developing machine learning algorithms that predict and predict network issues by analyzing user location data and historical update patterns. These advancements aim to virtually eliminate timeouts for most users. To summarize, preventing Garmin Wi-Fi timeouts involves ensuring your device has the latest firmware, optimizing your Wi-Fi connection, considering USB or mobile hotspot alternatives, and staying updated with Garmin's software improvements. Regularly check for firmware updates and be patient during peak update times. By following these best practices, you can significantly reduce the chances of encountering network timeout errors and keep your Garmin maps up to date. Here are some visual examples of connections and errors to be aware of. Remember, staying proactive with updates and using reliable connections will help maintain your Garmin device's performance.